Guys, what just happened to Rumi and Jinu? Little Rumi's parents were gone. But are they really coming back to life? How did this even happen? And what role did Jinu play in it all? If you want to know the secret, don't skip. Watch the full video till the end.
Dad, look, we are really flying above the clouds.
Yes, sweetheart. It's going to be a beautiful journey.
Stay close, Rumi.
We're all together.
Mom, Dad, we are flying so high.
Yes, sweetheart. Enjoy the journey.
We are right here with you. Mom, Dad, what is happening?
Stay with us, Rumi. Do not let go. Everything will be okay. Hold tight. Please, it has to be here. I cannot give up.
No, this is bad. I have to protect my family.
Mom said to stay strong, but everything feels so big and scary right now. I have to keep looking, because giving up is not an... I found it! This can save us! Mom and Dad will be okay now. Mom! I found the bag!
Yeah.
You did it, my brave girl.
You saved us, Rumi. But we are 3, and there is only 1 parachute.
Take this, my love. You must be safe first.
We will be okay. You have to jump.
Take care of yourself, my little one. Do not eat food from strangers, remember that. We are always...
Be strong, my little one. Remember everything we taught you.
No matter what happens, we love you. You are never alone.
We love you more than anything.
Jump now, my brave girl.
Mom! Dad! I will be strong.
Do you remember the day we got married?
I remember every moment.
Like it was yesterday. That was the happiest time of my life. Did you hear that? Our baby is listening.
I think the baby already knows our voices.
We will tell you so many stories. I never thought happiness could feel this warm. We are finally together, just like... Thank you for every memory we shared.
We choose this life again, every time.
I am scared. Please hold me, Wind. I can see the land. I think I will be okay.
We are still here. The world gave us another chance. This is not the end.
Where am I? Is anyone here? Mom. Dad. I miss you so much. Please come back. Hey, what happened?
I lost my parents.
Oh no. That must hurt a lot. Wait, what? Cat? I am a talking cat. And you look like you need help. I miss my mom. I miss my dad so much. They were holding my hands.
I know it hurts.
I miss my mom and dad. Listen to me, little one. If you want to meet your mother again, you must stay alive first. You need to eat and rest. You are right, talking cat. Crying will not help me now. First, I will build my own house. Then I will... These leaves will help me. You are learning fast. Look! It is working! You built this with your own hands. We did it! This is our home now. I feel safe here. You built hope with your hands. I never thought I could smile again. That is how survival starts. Now you have a house. Next, you have to learn... I think this knot will hold. Careful, yes, like that. I made it. You are a fast learner. Okay, here we go. Throw it, throw it. Ha! I feel something pulling. Yes, yes, pull it up. I caught it. I really caught it. Wow, that is a big... Look at it jumping. This is so funny. I cannot stop laughing. Best fishing day ever. Come on, please light up. Easy, don't rush it. It's working. Look, fire. We did it. We really did it. It smells so good. Dinner is almost ready.
Fishing was fun.
We make a great team. I am not alone anymore.
Best island friends forever.
We will survive together. Today was a big day.
Yes, my friend.
Good night, best friend.
The night passes quietly.
A new day begins.
Good morning.
Hey, Kitty. Let us go find my parents. I am with you. Always. We are going into the deep forest.
Do not worry. I am very brave. Hey!
What happened?
Something moved. You two are game over.
Wait, is this real? Or am I dreaming?
Pinch me. Please tell me that was a dream.
Do you see it too? That was a real animal. What do we do now? How am I going to find my mom and dad? How can I save them? We will. We have to stay brave. I don't know where my mom and dad are. I'm scared. I'm not brave at all. What if I can't find them? I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just scared.
You are brave, Rumi. You promised you wouldn't give up.
I've got you. Just pedal. You're doing great, sweetheart.
I can do it.
Look, Rumi. Do you like that one?
Anywhere you go, we're right here.
I love you both. This is my favorite. Eat slow, sweetheart.
Family time makes everything better.
Hey, Rumi, you are stronger than you think.
You really believe that?
I know it. Your heart remembers the way. No more fear. I will find my mom and dad.
That's it. Run strong. I'm with you.
What? What was that? Rumi, don't move. Help! Someone help us!
Run, Rumi.
Don't stop! I was so hungry! See? We made it! This is it! I know it! We found it, Rumi! It feels scary in here.
Stay close, Rumi.
Mom? Dad?
It's okay, sweetie. Let it all out. We're right here with you. Everything is gonna be okay now.
Dad, I won't give up. I will save you. I can do it. I won't give up. I will save you. I can do it. There's a witch around here. They say she can bring the dead back to life. Then we have to find her.
What do you want from me, little Rumi? And you, talking cat, tell me.
She just wants her parents back. Ha! You want to save your parents? First, answer my questions.
What? That's too hard. Guys, please help me. Comment now. 10 does 10 times 0? 0. That's my answer. This is my secret liquid. One drop in your parents' mouths, and they live again. Now go!
Thank you, I won't waste it.
Steady, just one more drop. You did it, Rumi. It's perfect. Dad, please come back. Mom, please wake up.
Mom, Dad, you're alive! Rumi,
Is this real?
you saved us.
Dad! You're back! I'm so happy you're alive! You're really alive! Mom, Dad, you're really here!
We're back, sweetheart.
You did it, Rumi. Told you it would work.
Alright guys, the story ends here. If you enjoyed the video, turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload. And don't stop here. Click the video you see on the end screen right now. Trust us, you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.